What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add a countdown to your Shopify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's jump to it. So first of all, what is the sales countdown? So basically it's a way to improve your Shopify store by announcing a limited time discount. The trick begins the trick behind this is a customer visits stores during a discount sale, but might not take a purchase. A time discount, on the other hand, creates a FOMO, encouraging them to make a purchase. So how to add it? So you can add a sales countdown to your Shopify store by following these instructions. So from your Shopify admin, go to online store and select the themes. After it, find the theme you want to edit and then click actions and edit code. In the snippets directory, click add a new snippet and give your snippet the name countdown timer and click create a snippet. After creating a new snippet, this is the code you want to copy and paste or create your own one and save a snippet file. So basically this is the entirety of the code over here. Let me just scroll down. So as you can see, it's a big code and you need to enter it. The next step depends on where you want to show your countdown. In case you want to include it to all products, click on the product template.liquid file located within the section folder of the product.liquid file located within the templates folder. Now include snippet file and anywhere you want it display. Over here, change the date to your liking and basically you're done. If you want to add a specific product, first go to section folder and click on add a new section, name your section product template countdown and remove all the code from the file. Copy and paste the content from the product template.liquid file located within the section folder and find the place where you want your countdown to be shown, for example below the add to cart button, and paste this following code and change the end day. Click on save. So basically after go to template directory and choose to add a new template from the drop down, choose product and name your template product countdown template. So basically click save and assign the template to the products you wish. So from your Shopify admin, go to products, find the products you want to change, click on it, and from the sidebar to the right, find the template section. From the drop down, choose product countdown template and click save. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.